So on this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix any problem you have with the comments on Instagram app. So hello guys, if you have any problem with the comments on Instagram, this video is gonna help you a lot. So first thing you have to do or the first thing you want to do is open the Play Store, search for Instagram and then click on update if you don't have the latest version of Instagram app. And then go back, click on the settings. Click on the apps manager on your phone, go to the apps and then go to Instagram app on your phone. Those are the settings of the Instagram on my phone. So all what I want to do here is very simple. Just click on the data usage, scroll, disable all those network access options and enable them again like this. Go back, click on the force stop option and then go down to this storage. Click on clear cache and then do the second thing, and the last most important thing is clear data. Now that's it guys, don't forget to like, subscribe and see you in the next video.